Hey guys, Steve here, back with my second video of the day, as today watchOS 5 is available for all to download. So in this video, I wanted to give you a hands-on look at all of the new faces in watchOS 5. It's basically all of the animated faces we saw at the Series 4 launch event, with one or two little surprises, but they're not quite as nice as what you'll get with the larger Series 4 watches. With watchOS 5 finally available to download, anyone can grab the new animated faces. 4 new Apple Watch faces are available: Breathe, Fire and Water, Liquid Metal, and Vapor. All but Liquid Metal were previewed alongside the Series 4 Apple Watch. The Fire and Water face featured heavily in Apple's Series 4 showcase and is being used across all of the marketing images. The big difference here though is that due to the smaller screen size of the previous generation watches, all of the new watch faces are masked with a circle. On the larger Apple Watch Series 4, the background animations span the screen, going edge to edge. Apple probably just didn't want to highlight the bezels on the older watches. Each new Apple Watch face brings 2 different animations, one for when you raise your wrist and one for when you tap on the screen or press the digital crown to wake the wearable. You can vary up the animations so they alternate each time you wake the display. For instance, you can switch between seeing fire and water, 3 different colours of vapor, including pink and orange, black and white, and blue and green, and 3 different colours of liquid metal, one to match each finish of the Apple Watch. The Breathe watch face packs 3 different styles: Focus, Calm, and Classic. Each of these plays a soothing, slow animation, and if you click on it, you'll go straight into the Breathe app. Even if you don't use the Breathe app, which I recommend because it can help you relax and focus on your breathing, the Breathe Apple Watch faces still look super nice. All of the new faces support up to 3 different complications. If you're hoping for the infograph Apple Watch face that supports up to 8 complications, too bad. I'm afraid that's exclusive to the Series 4. watchOS 5 is available as of today, so if you want to try these out for yourself, go ahead and get updating. Well, that is it for this video, but let me know your thoughts on the new watch faces in the comments section down below. Will you be using them? Are they just a bit of a gimmick? Let me know your thoughts, I'd love to hear it. Also, if you've enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, it really helps me out. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next one.